Welcome to another episode with the Pull-Up King. Rise and grind. We got a 99 Ford F350 SuperDuty. Dual wheels on the back. I'm going to show you in this video how to replace the brake pads and rotors on this thing. Not a bad job, but it is different from the rest, from the normal ones. Got some extra components, but we will get to it, and I'm going to show you what you need to do. So these are 17mm bolts that's holding the calipers, two of them. One at the top, one at the bottom. And that'll get the caliper off. You're going to use get your pry bar to open it up like that. Once you get all both of the bolts off. All right, to open up the piston, I went up in here, got up in there and pressed it back. That's for both sides. It's a 2-piston caliper. That way I can pull it off now, because without it, it would have been hard to get it off. Gonna swing that over to the side. Next, we got 21mm bolts holding a caliper bracket. All right, go ahead and take off these pads. That's the bracket. That's the bolts. 21mm. Next, we're gonna take out these bolts here. That's holding the rotor on. That's my little trick to get leverage so the wheel doesn't spin. It doesn't turn when I try to loosen these up, because it won't loosen with my power drill. So what I do, should be able to just crack it loose because it's not going to spin. I need both hands. So you do that all the way around. Then you can loosen up these bolts, rotor will come off. Okay, so with all of the bolts off, 21mm bolts, all we're going to do is just tap it. Just tap all the way around and it's going to pop right on. And I gotta replace the wheel bearings next. We're just doing it one at a time, but that's pretty much how you do the wheel bearing. This is a wheel bearing. You have 4 bolts, these 2 and the 2 on the other side. You get them from the back and you pop that bad boy out like that. Okay, so we got the parts ready, everything matching up. Brake pads, rotors. And these rotors, in order to get the right rotors, they have 2 separate ones, and you got to look at the build date. Look on the VIN number, inside your door. All right, we got our hardware installed. I'm gonna change those out so it don't squeak. Don't forget to lubricate these guide pins. They dry out, they get stuck, and you have to replace the caliper. Okay, installed. That's all 4 clips, hardware installed, and bracket 21mm. Pistons back. So if y'all can get my subs up to about 1,000, man, I'll be doing multiple giveaways. So y'all just help me out, and it'll be a multiple chance or a better chance for you to win.